DJI Avata 360. Panoramic shooting in playback. Before the aircraft takes off, photo and video capture are disabled because the gimbal is locked. After takeoff, the gimbal automatically rotates to enter 360 degrees mode. Using standard remote controllers. Press the record button on the remote controller or the screen to start recording. During recording, rotate the left dial to move the view up or down. Rotate the right dial to continuously zoom and adjust the FOV. You can also tap the icon to switch zoom levels, or tap and hold the icon and drag to zoom precisely. Tilt the view down and zoom to the maximum FOV to create an asteroid effect. Hold the C1 button and rotate the right dial to control the roll. After recording, go to the album, open the video, and tap the play icon. The video plays in the original flight view by default. Swipe to view the scene from different perspectives. Tap the upper right icon to reset to the original view. Using goggles and motion controller. Press the shutter or record button to take a photo or to start or stop recording. During recording, tilt the motion controller to move the view up or down. Rotate the dial to continuously zoom and adjust the FOV. Tilt the view down and zoom to the maximum FOV to create an asteroid effect. To enable head tracking, open the shortcut menu and tap the icon. The view will move with your head without affecting the actual flight direction. You can still control the flight direction using the motion controller. If the flight direction is different from your head orientation, Vision Assist automatically appears in the upper left corner and shows the flight direction view. When an obstacle in the current flight direction is detected, the Vision Assist view shows a collision warning. The color of the warning is determined by the distance between the obstacle and the aircraft. When playing back footage on the goggles, free view is enabled by default. Turn your head to look around. You can open the playback menu and switch to camera FOV. This locks the framing to the original flight view.